Good morning everyone. Myself Devika, working as assistant professor in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering at Sri Muthukumaran Institute of Technology. Today we have discussed about the subject on W3601 Protection and Switchgear, which is the core subject for 6th semester 2021 regulations. In this slide, to introduce the subject protection switchgear and topic the circuit breaker. Overview of the presentation. This slide gives an outline of the presentation. It includes introduction, working principles, various circuit breaker categories, and summary and closing remarks. Introduction. A circuit breaker is a mechanical device designed to switch electrical circuits on and off. It can protect, make, carry, and interrupt current during normal operation. Additionally, it can operate during both normal and fault conditions like short circuits. Operating principle of circuit breaker. A circuit breaker works using stationary and movable contacts. The movable contact opens and closes the circuit using stored energy, that means a spring or air. Operating mechanism. A circuit breaker is made up of two main components. One is stationary contact, another one is movable contact. A movable contact is responsible for opening and closing the circuit, powered by energy stored in either a spring or compressed air. To control the speed of the movable contact during closure, damping methods such as springs, pneumatic systems, or oil are employed. The fixed contacts includes a spring mechanism that secures the movable contact once the circuit is closed. These coils helps to close or open the circuit using electrical energy. Operating mechanism is equipped with two distinct coils. One is closing coil, another one is tripping coil. Closing coil, which is responsible for closing the circuit. Tripping coil, which triggers the circuits to open. These coils harness stored energy to control the main contacts, enabling them to either open or close as needed. Solenoids and pilot devices are used to detect the faults. When a fault occurs, the trip coil activates and opens the circuit. Then, electric arc phenomenon. When contacts open on electric arc is formed due to ionized air. This arc allows current to continue temporarily. This ionization transforms the area into a conductive part, creating what is known as an electric arc. Key contributors to arc formation include the voltage difference present between the separating contacts, the presence of ionized particles bridging the gap between the contacts. Fundamentals of arc suppression. The arc must be removed for safe operation. Methods include increasing distance between contacts, cooling the arc, using insulating materials. The insulating strength must exceed the voltage that could regenerate the arc. Then heat must be dissipated more rapidly than it is produced. Common techniques, methods to extinguish arcs include, that means increasing distance between the electrodes, actively cooling the arc region, introducing materials with superior insulating properties into the arc path. Types of circuit breakers. Different types based on medium used: oil insulator circuit breaker, vacuum circuit breaker, air blast circuit breaker, SF6 gas and fan circuit breakers. Fundamental concept of a circuit breaker. This is the basic diagram of a circuit breaker. A circuit breaker is an electrically operated switch that automatically activates to safeguard an electrical system from harm caused by excessive current or short circuits. It primary role is to identify fault conditions and promptly halt the electrical current by breaking the circuit, thereby preventing potential damage. Operation of circuit breaker. Simple operation is during normal operation, contacts remains closed. During fault condition, stored energy causes quick suppression of contacts. The basic, primarily the circuit breaker is primarily made up of two components. We know that one is stationary contact, another one is movable contacts. The circuit breaker is switched on. These contacts are pressed firmly together by mechanical force, ensuring a continuous electrical connection. Energy can be stored within the circuit breaker in various forms, such as tensioned metal springs, compressed air, or hydraulic pressure. Regardless of the energy storage method, this stored potential energy is unleashed during the breaker's activation, causing the movable contact to snap open rapidly and interrupt the circuit instantly. Advantages and disadvantages of oil circuit breaker. So oil exhibits advantages of oil circuit breaker is oil exhibits excellent dielectric properties. It is cost effective and really accessible in most regions. Then capable of interrupting a broad spectrum of electrical faults. Disadvantages is slow operation, fire hazard, and high maintenance. Applications of circuit breakers used in power plants. In power generation plants, used to protect generators, transformers, and bus bars from faults. Then, in transmission and distribution systems, ensure safe operation by isolating faulty sections in high voltage lines. In industrial installations, the circuit breaker protects heavy machinery and electrical equipment from overloads and short circuits. Used in distribution boards to safeguard wiring and appliances in residential and commercial buildings. Then substations. In substations, essential for switching operations and fault isolation in substations. Renewable energy systems. Used in solar and wind power systems for protection and switching. Conclusion. The circuit breakers are essentially protective devices in modern power systems. They ensure safety, reliability, and continuity of electrical power supply. By quickly detecting and interrupting faults, they prevent equipment damage and fire hazards. Different types of circuit breakers are used depending on voltage level and application requirements. Overall, circuit breakers play a critical role in maintaining a stable and secure electrical network. These are the reference of this topic. List of books, standards IEEE, IEC, and websites helps for further reading and study. Thank you.